smile when I'm breaking. Stay strong when I'm weak. Say I'm fine through the aching. Hide tears no one sees, but you've been there in the silence, where no spotlight ever shone. You see the fight I never mentioned, and you still call me your own. God, I'm not okay, but I'm still here, holding on through every quiet tear. When the world moves on, you stay near. You don't need me to pretend, you just sit with me again. God, I'm not okay, but I'm still here. I show up when I'm empty, sing songs when I'm numb, try praying when the words just don't seem to come. But you're not looking for perfection,